My name's Jamie Clark. I own Chef's Blend Spreads in Pensacola, Florida. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the service that Mark, Cannon, and Apex have provided for me. When you purchase equipment or anything of that nature, you expect service to go with it and come with it, and I couldn't be more pleased at what has taken place. He has been on the money all the way from the beginning now to the end, and it'll go even further. However, he's been here for me. He came down here to Pensacola on his nickel. He did that because of my, I guess, inability to figure the equipment out on my own. I did as much as I could, and he stepped in and he finished the job for me. Impeccable service. If you want great equipment and you want the service to go along with it, because so many times when we purchase things, that part of it is lax. That part of it you have to really push people to get them to do. Phone calls, call him up, calls me right back. He's no pressure, always relaxed. Great person to work with, very knowledgeable. We were up and running in about 4 hours yesterday. So if that's what you're looking for and you need equipment to do what you need to do in the filling game or in the co-packing game, this is definitely the company to work with, and I highly, highly recommend it.